Hello, my name is Aviad Rivlin. We are live from SAP TechEd. With me, I have Facundo Ferrer from Hexagon Consulting. Hi, Facundo.
Hi, Aviad. How are you doing?
So first of all, congratulations for winning the Portal Developer Challenge.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us, and thank you for winning.
Thank you for this exciting opportunity of being here at TechEd. It would have been completely out of my reach in any other case.
Awesome. Let's start with the first question. So tell us a bit about how you selected the use cases, the really nice use case that you implemented.
Well, at Hexagon, we were looking at the Portal Challenge as an excuse to play a little bit with SAP toolings and try to prove new features. But we also wanted to come up with a solution that could actually use for an actual business use case, right? In that sense, we sat at a table and we brainstormed a lot of ideas. One of the constraints we actually wanted to put in that we thought was very important, that we really needed an actual user, not a virtual kind of user, but someone we could actually interview and do questions and show what the mock-ups and the actual solution and get feedback from them. The idea that finally won was an application that was for a pharmaceutical sales rep. My dad's been a pharmaceutical sales rep for 40 years now. I was quite acquainted with the everyday problems he had, so it was an easy flow for me to try to get what were the main pain points of his job and try to map it to application that we could build using the Portal sites.
Very nice. And in order to implement this Portal site, so how long did it take? Which skill set did you need to have in the team?
Well, we have a UX designer, that's Consuelo Romano. She's great. She actually made a big effort in the design thinking process and got the developer team engaged in actually helping the user. After thinking about maybe the technology stack, try to keep the focus on the user. Then we have two Fiori developers, and we did receive consultation services from a machine learning and data scientist expert, especially for the part of the OCR, because we are doing the Portal application is about. It's about the sales rep has a route, a schedule of doctors that he has to visit, and he also has travel expenses. And we wanted to be able to use OCR features to get the travel expenses report right. And then we had. We had a quota, that also needed analytics and hand access and calculation views to use on the vis frames so that the sales rep could see how close he was to his quota and therefore to his bonus, right?
Yeah. And how long did it take to implement this on the cloud platform?
I would say the rough development was about a month and a half of these developers.
From design to this initial...
Well, the design started before, not the whole team was involved in the initial part of the design, only me and the UX consultant, but then the developers arrived like a month later, more or less. Okay,
cool. And we are here at SAP TechEd, and TechEd eventually is all about learning new technology, learning about what's new and so on. If you can, either how you learned about cloud platform and the portal itself, or how do you recommend others to get up to speed with like the latest and greatest, even if they are not here at TechEd?
Well, OpenSAP is obviously the main source of information, right? I feel like it's very true to say that learning the new technologies from SAP is a lot easier than learning the older ones, right? Yeah. It's a lot harder to get an ABAP stack than to get an SCP trial account and just trial SAP UI5. Those, of course, the help documentation is basic, but I would say that yes, it's a basic resource that we come a lot often to it, more than we would like. But it's also that a lot of things you just learn about trial and error, right? Yeah. We actually took the challenge. We had built many portal sites based on Launchpad. We never actually dared going through the custom Fiori portal sites, and we used this advantage, this opportunity for it. I think it was I think that the main documentation we used for that was OpenSAP.
Cool, very nice. So again, thank you very much for joining the Developer Challenge. You're the winner, so congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And until the next challenge, so thank you very much.